Right, and welcome to our series on sunsets around the world. The latest one being sunset over Currumbin Beach on the Gulf. And prior to that, oh, what's that bloody whale? Let it go away. That's better. And sunset over Galway Bay. We've still got Cable Beach to come, but this is sunset over Mindil Beach in Darwin. The beach has got a large number of people on it tonight. They've all been to the markets. And now they're gathering to watch the sunset over Darwin Harbour. Lovely cloud formations there. Zoom in a little bit, get rid of some of the people here. You can see the sunset. A couple of boats out in the harbour. Lots of people on the beach. They all seem to be enjoying themselves. Including that man eating his food there. But this is what they've come for, to see the sunset over Mindil Beach, Darwin, Northern Territory, Australia. So a few clouds around, which means you get good contrast, good reflection.
Okay, you want to sit here? No. I feel bad. Maybe you don't feel bad, so take it.
So you can tell us about sunsets in your country. If you haven't saw sunset over Galway Bay or Currumbin on the Gulf of Queensland, go back and look at them and look forward to seeing Broome and Cable Beach. Hit the like button and tell us about your experiences with sunsets.